Hello everyone, this is Dr. Barbara Rodwin speaking. I'm going to be going over the report of findings package with you. At this point in time, you have seen Carrie Lynn and I for your initial examination, and we are now going to discuss the different types of treatments that we may suggest for you. Let's start with chiropractic adjustments. When the 24 bones or vertebrae that protect the spinal cord lose their normal position or motion, this is known as a vertebral joint subluxation, a misalignment, or a restriction. This will cause improper nerve impulses going to all muscles, tendons, ligaments, cells, tissues, and organs of the body, which can result in a loss of motion, stiffness, discomfort, and even nerve symptoms. Adjustments are performed that slowly realign the vertebrae. They also help to restore spinal function and avoid bone and soft tissue degeneration. The symptom cycle. If the true cause of the symptom cycle is a joint or vertebral misalignment and nerve, muscle, tendon, ligament, adhesion, or scar tissue, the problem will reoccur. The initial cycle is acute, and the discomfort and pain may only last for the first few days after the injury. Chronic symptoms may last months or years post-injury. With chronic conditions, the symptom takes longer to go away. In fact, it may become acute again during times of flare-up, causing an increase in discomfort, pain, and reduced mobility. This is why, if you have a chronic condition, you may have periods of time where you're almost or completely symptom-free, and periods of time where you are asymptomatic. We are going to outline some of the different treatments that Back to Health offers. To find out more and about other treatments, please visit our website. Active release techniques help the oxygen and blood to get to your muscles. Adhesions or scar tissue create barriers in these tissues, resulting in a muscle, tendon, ligament, or nerve which is not acting efficiently. Non-compliant tissues exhibit poor circulation, weakness, inflexibility, and muscle tenderness or discomfort. Acupuncture has been studied extensively by Western medicine to scientifically determine how it works. When the acupuncture needles have been placed into the body, physiological reactions occur that can help you to heal faster. Interferential current therapy is a treatment to aid the relief of pain and the promotion of soft tissue healing, and this can also help to decrease swelling, pain, and muscle spasms and heal nerves. Phases of care. At the relief phase, your condition has damaged your vertebrae, joints, nerves, discs, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. You may have experienced low energy, poor posture, stiffness, tightness, discomfort, tension, and physical or emotional pain. At the corrective phase, your spine, muscles, ligaments, tendons, and nerves are beginning to respond to treatment. Your symptoms are improving, including less pain and stiffness. At the preventative phase, your vertebrae, nerves, discs, muscles, tendons, and ligaments are healing, increasing your overall function. You may find your general physical and emotional well-being is greatly improved and your stress levels are diminished. When receiving chiropractic care, there are two approaches that can be taken. The first is when you only receive treatment for discomfort or specific injuries. With proactive care, you will receive care when an injury occurs, as well as periodic checkups as a method of preventative care to ensure your overall wellness. Recovery symptoms. If you've ever had a broken arm, you know that your arm feels stiff and weak when the cast is removed. Once in a while, the same sort of uncomfortable thing happens when a long, misaligned vertebrae is going back into its normal, healthy place, and adhesions or scar tissue are being broken up in your muscles, tendons, ligaments, and nerves. These recovery symptoms, like any other healing in the making, are nothing to fear. They can include headaches, dizziness, soreness of muscles, tenderness of the spinal joints, and these occur during the first phase of care. Ice should be used on the area you are having treated. Ice works for inflamed and swollen areas as well as aiding in the healing of soft tissues. So if you feel tightness and discomfort, ice can aid in decreasing the symptom and healing the area. Never apply heat to a new injury or any area that is painful or swollen. When in doubt, use ice as heat may worsen the problem. Here are some self-care tips for you to remember. In general, if you have any questions about a particular activity that may be bothering your body, please ask Carrie Lynn or Dr. Rodwin about them. We have many articles on our website regarding a wide range of activities. Here are some tips to remember when sitting, using the bathroom, sleeping, and using the kitchen at home. Here we have our self-care tips for sleeping. You can view our video scribe on sleeping on the Back to Health's YouTube channel or our website for more information about pillows and proper sleeping posture to help you get a better night's sleep. Remember your health while traveling. Your body will thank you for it. Here is a workstation checklist. If you answer no to any of these questions, you will need to make changes. You can find this in the office and on our website by searching Workstation. We receive some common questions about our services at Back to Health. If you start seeing a chiropractor, you do not have to continue forever. At Back to Health, you have options to choose which level works for you and the type of care you wish to choose. After your initial assessment, I will let you know if I believe you require active release or not. This works by eliminating adhesions, allowing your tissues to function properly. You will also be advised on orthotics and whether you require these. Remember that your feet are the foundation of your body, and just like the foundation of your house, it needs to be solid. You may benefit from seeing a registered massage therapist, as a problem with your spine may partly be caused by a muscle that is too tight and pulling the vertebrae out of place. Acupuncture may benefit you as a form of pain relief. This can be effective for both acute injuries and chronic conditions. You may benefit seeing the naturopath at Back to Health Wellness Center. They offer a variety of solutions for different health problems.